So we have a transit stop over here at Istanbul airport. So this is yung facilities nila here. Laki-laki din, no? So we'll be staying for a few minutes lang, no? Parang an hour yung stopover. Then we'll be taking a connecting flight to to Slovenia. Let's check on yung facilities ng airport here. Ayan. Maganda din, no? So far, linis. You observe yung flights here in Istanbul. The volume is really amazing, no? Ang volume. So this easily competes with Paris, no? Sa center of crossroads kasi siya ng Asia at saka Europe. Ang dami. So we took a flight, no, from Ila, 11 hours na flight. Dito na yung group of mga architects that were with. Malinis, malawak yung airport. Ito ata yung international airport nila here. Laki-laki. Sana yung airport natin sa Philippines can cope up with this. So this is, I think, itong runway nila here, no? Sa airport. So we're 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock yung connecting flight. Hindi masyado siya, although this is heavy yung traffic, hindi masyado napapansin because of the size of yung airport. Okay.